So tea and sugar. So we're fermenting essentially the tannins in the tea and the sugars that we add to it. So we're making a litre today. So all we've done is we've brewed up a litre of tea. So 2 tea bags, 1/4 cup of sugar and a litre of water. We've brewed it up, we've let it cool down. And the lovely lady now is adding that into the crock. We use organic, so it's unbleached black tea. We can talk a little bit about using different varieties of teas in a sec as well. So literally, and all you do is just give it a little bit of a shake, because kombucha, we're relying heavily on the yeasts. Cerevisiae is one of them. I've tested, I should mention, all my cultures have been tested. I've typed the type of bacteria in there. And I know for a fact that this has a lot of Cerevisiae, so Saccharomyces yeast, which is the main probiotic in the product. So I know there's a lot of claims being made about kombucha. I haven't really found any probiotic bacteria. The only one that I've found is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Some people mention Saccharomyces boulardii. I haven't found it in kombucha. So not really a probiotic per se. You could argue Cerevisiae could be probiotic in nature. The benefits of kombucha are coming from the organic acids, particularly your short-chain fatty acids like acetate. So you guys familiar with your short-chain fatty acids, butyrate being an important one, acetate being the next important one. So we've given it a little bit of a shake just to agitate it. Yeast cells are 100 times more heavier and bigger, so they tend to sink on the bottom. So we just need to agitate it just to make it dispersed. Yeah, so then you whack that on there.
And then how long till it's ready?
This is a longer ferment. This is going 7 to 10 days or so. So you're going to leave this for 7 to 10 days. And there's 2 types. So
10 days is
June?
kombucha.
Yes. So it's
2 tea bags, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 litre of water.
precisely.
Brew it, let it cool down, add the scoby and leave it for 7 to 10 days.
Yes. Exactly.
And then 2 types.
Yes.
Yeah, what's this one then?
So the one that the lovely lady Fiona has is Jun. You're lovely. There we go. And then you got the normal ones. Website. Now, if you go on the website and you click recipes or instructions, yes, on our website. Yeah. And I will send you all the links that we talked about as well. So the recipes are there. So 1/3 cup of honey, 2 tea bags and a litre of water. Same process, but it's a little bit longer to make. It takes maybe up to 14 days. It is absolutely beautiful to taste. Do you have any kombucha? What have we got? Jun. So we've got Jun. Jun is actually my favorite because Jun has all the antioxidants of the green tea as well as the other benefits. That's why I love it.
So it's soaking before and it kind of looks like a jellyfish.
Yeah.
Of course. They go all weird.
It's weird.
Yeah.
I mean, they form, I mean, this is a nice perfect dish that we make. You can get weird textures, you know, like some of them get a bit, you get tendrils and yeah, it's perfectly normal. Nice. And this is hugely beneficial. Green tea antioxidants, primarily the probiotic yeast and the short chain fatty acids as well. The beauty of honey is honey also has a lot of inulin.
Oh, sauerkraut.
You guys familiar with prebiotics? Prebiotics, oh, okay, I'll define this. A prebiotic is a fermentable fiber that your body can't digest, but the bacteria in the large intestine or the colon can digest. And one of them is inulin. So inulin I add to my milk kefir premix for that reason. So you're getting some prebiotic benefit, but it's also in the honey.
Yeah, right.
So
Yeah.
can I ask, could you mix this with like soda water
Yeah,
and
totally.
have it as a drink like that? Or with
Sparkling water?
put sparkling water
Yeah.
and ice or whatever.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
do that.
You could do that, you could mix it with fruit juices. I mean, there's no hard and set rule. I mean, it's purely optional. You can make cocktails. I mean, there's heaps of recipes for cocktails, mocktails.